So this is the tiller console for the Vive 3-wheel power scooter. At the top here, you'll find the battery indicator. These lights will illuminate to show you the power level. They'll also blink in sequence if there is an error with the scooter. The lights will blink a certain number of times, go blank, and then repeat that blink sequence. Those sequences can be referenced in your user manual to determine what the problem is and how to best troubleshoot it. Down below we have the key switch. Here is your speed adjustment dial. Left is slower, right is faster. Here is your horn switch, your headlight switch, and your drive lever. Pressing on the left side reverses the scooter. Pressing on the right side accelerates the scooter forward. I'm going to power the scooter up now. We're going to fit the key into the key switch. Make sure beforehand that the lever down below on the battery is not in manual mode. That is essentially neutral. You want to make sure that it's switched to drive mode. Fit the key down. You'll see the power is indicated here. We can adjust the speed, and again, pressing the left side of the drive lever reverses the scooter. Pressing the right side accelerates the scooter forward. Over time, the controls will become very intuitive and very easy to use with practice. Thank you so much for watching. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below if you have any questions.